feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Sabi ng dating Pangulo na papalag siya sakaling arestuhin siya. Nauna nang sinabi ni Pangulong Marcos na walang gagawin ng kanilang administrasyon para tulungan ng ICC. Sabi naman ni Solicitor General Menardo Guevara, tanging PNP at ibang law enforcement agencies lang ang otorisadong maghain ng arrest warrant sa bansa.
Walang pakialam ang ICC sa akin. At hindi nila ako mahuli talaga. Mahuli nila ako patay. Mr. Marcos has nothing to do with the ICC. As a matter of fact, I am not asking for his help. Ako na ang bahala sa sarili ko dito. I will deal with the ICC myself.
Think is amazing, waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that